It's the morning showgram, and it's Shadi Greenwood, Ashan, and Toshan on the show. There are so many. Yeah, hi. Hello, Ashan, hi as well.
What's up?
I think
I
Ashan liked
applied
that
balm
song.
in my eye.
Yes. Ashan was touching Auntie Gladys, as in he was giving her a balm rub.
Yeah,
rub
that's
down.
right.
Yeah.
And then he touched his
The
eyes.
big BR.
Yeah, he touched his eyes after that.
Why he did that? Not sure because everyone watched it in slow motion.
Yeah.
But he did it
Excruciating
anyways.
pain, excruciating discomfort.
We have so many messages which
We
have come in,
do.
but over all of that, the most talked about thing these days, which everybody is talking about, is the cricket and what happened to our guys. Now, Shadi, you may not know this,
Yeah,
but we generally don't really talk a lot of cricket on the show
that's right.
That's right, we don't.
But there's good reason to talk about it these days.
these days.
you
Yeah,
know?
there's a World
So
Cup, so
much
we watch it.
happening,
But
yeah.
these for the last 7-8 years, our cricketing discussions have been limited
Okay.
because it's annoying to talk about it, and people get upset over it, and it's one of those things.
Yeah.
But Sri Lanka has exited the World Cup. This is the first time since 1996, when we've been a host of a World Cup, that Sri Lanka hasn't got to a final.
That's right.
That's how good we used to be. In 1996, we got to the final of when we were hosts. So India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka hosted. We got to the finals. In 2002, the Champions Trophy happened in Sri Lanka. We got to the finals. We were joint champs with Sri Lanka, with India. Then again, I think another year, 2013 or 2011, we had a World Cup. We got to the finals of the 50-over World Cup. It was Sri Lanka was co-hosting.
Yeah.
In 2013 or so, the T20 World Cup, Sri Lanka got to the finals and lost to the West Indies in the finals again. And every time we've been a host country, we got. And this time we're out.
Yeah, I know. There's a lot of
It's sad, isn't it?
It's
a
very
lot
sad.
of mixed emotions.
There is, because
You know?
it's like this, right? I always say, Shade, like Ashan, myself, and a lot of the showgrammers, you see, have grown up. Like the other day, I met Avishka Gunawardena. And, he was a fantastic. If he was there playing today, he'd be walking into this cricket team and walking all over everyone.
Absolutely.
But even he, with all his talent and all his skill and all his, he was finding it difficult to break into that Sri Lankan cricket team because they had so many good players.
That's right.
So many good players. Now it's a bunch of, flash in the pan guys who are, I believe, interested in, well, not cricket, but other things.
Yeah, being brand ambassadors and fashion icons and
Showing off their watches and cars and stuff like that. Like you get to any of these guys' Instagram accounts, we've said this numerous times on this show, it's all about, their watches or their cars or whatever they're doing or what hotel they're staying in. It's very little about cricket. And
That's
that was
why-
quite,
Sorry, but Toshan, I was going to say, that's why there needs to be more regulation, I feel like, even on social media. Because I feel like whoever is their, PR for the cricket team, they're not really making the cricket team very likable these days. And I think in general, especially not monitoring their social media.
And telling them what to say. Now you saw what Dasun Shahanaka, the captain, went on record and said after the match, right?
Yeah.
Everybody has been going on about that. He basically said that the government should get involved to reduce the number of people or to try and reduce the negativity of things that people are saying. So basically, the government should get involved to restrict people's freedom of speech against the cricket team.
I mean, just imagine, guys, if he was in India, especially during the late 90s or mid 90s, and if he had gone on, at a press conference and say something like outlandish like that, he'll be designated homeless.
Yes, absolutely. I can't imagine. I can imagine he was very sad and upset. And, I've always said good things about Dasun Shahanaka. I've always, he thought he's, one of the most level-headed guys. But
Toshan's
to say
been defending
something
him,
dumb like that, like the government should get involved to stop the negativity of your fans and viewers, my dear friend, is because of what you do.
it's giving like, I'm going to tell the principal. It's kind of giving that a little bit, right?
But you get my point. This has been a big problem in Sri Lanka where cricketers call politicians. They've been doing this for years.
Yes.
So many people, when they're upset at not being selected, call a politician. So many people, when they're upset at something, call a politician.
Yeah, that's
or call
very
a
true.
president, or call a prime minister, or
Yeah,
something. It's been happening in this country for decades.
And it happens in school also. Like when you know, I'm going to call my tati. You know who I am. Like my tati comes to school and scolds me.
I know.
That's it starts from a young age, and now it's in the cricket team. Unfortunately,
Tati, call Uncle Ajit and tell them that they're not selecting me to the cricket team. That is because you almost killed the cricket coach. Man. That is all because you killed the cricket coach. Nearly.
Yeah, that was Ashan. It's very
that was
close to home.
Ashan, yeah.
But the reason for this also, and it doesn't apply to this show. I'd say this show is probably the only. I'll tell you guys, it's probably the only place in Sri Lanka where we'll have the real truth and nothing but the truth.
Yeah.
All media, all journalists, mostly, I won't say all, okay, 90% maybe, 99% maybe, suck up to cricketers because they want to be their friends.
That's right, yeah.
And whether they are right or wrong, they will twist the narrative to benefit whatever agenda.
But it's not just cricketers, it's anyone in the public eye. You have to be very careful with who you let into your inner circle, you know?
I didn't get that.
You didn't get it?
No.
But I'm just saying, like, it's not just cricketers, people in general.
You were surprised. I was like, you didn't get it?
No. But I'm making the opposite point. They all want to be these guys' friends.
Yeah.
Therefore, they say nice things about them, even though they're wrong.
Yeah.
Like even when they're
that
not.
That is true.
You heard those commentators, the singular commentators, and the things they're saying. It's a ridiculous joke.
It is.
The singular comment. There used to be guys like
really
Premasar
bad.
Rappa Singh, Palita Pereira, back in the day.
Yeah.
Eric Gowda and Roshan Abe Singh, a fantastic,
absolutely.
commentator. And these guys then, because everybody wants to sugarcoat and cover these things up.
Yeah.
I'll tell you something, guys. This is, I'll probably come back to this one because it's very
controversial. Okay, if you pause and say that, then I'm
it's very
controversial.
If Toshan is like trying to think of the correct way to put it across, then it's something that you guys have to listen
for
to.
sure. You have to because it's very, very controversial, guys. And what's controversial about it is it's also very true. It's very controversial. It's I don't know if I should be saying this, guys, but
Hasn't stopped you in the past.
has not in the past, right? Like we
Why
say,
stop now? Why
we say it as it is.
Yeah, absolutely.
No,
But
I'm thinking.
whatever it is, right now the cricketers, the present day cricketers, they brought it upon themselves, right? I mean, the way they've been playing and also going on press conferences and saying what they've said, making requests and pleas from the government, and also saying that I read somewhere on X saying that they wanted some emotional support because
Buy them a dog. Buy them a support animal.
I know a few dogs at Orion City that need some rehoming. So
We'll come back to this one because we can take commercials. But strictly, guys, showgrammers, Ashan, Shade, it's between us, okay? Off the record, on the QT, very hush-hush.
Got it.
7:35.
The Morning Showgram on EFM. Directive number 1. Don't get the show shut down. Directive number 2. Even if you get the show shut down, don't get the station shut down. Directive number 3. Follow directives 1 and 2.
Just follow the rules and you won't get hurt.
Toshan, Ashan, Shade, put the mics on. Now you have to talk.
There are a lot of messages which are coming in on the WhatsApp line.
Johan, Toshan, our cricketers are wannabe influencers, hence the demise of the team. True. In a way, true. Very, very true. Another message coming in from Asoka. Good morning, Tosh, Ashan and Shade. I've seen statements from past big cricket guns with accents give fancy statements. But what to do? He and the other anti-tragic chappie actually do to correct this crazy, sad situation.
Okay, this is this is from 48841. So he says, again, slower. You have to take that, Shade.
I've seen statements from past big cricket guns with accents that give fancy statements. But what to do? with the
No, what
other,
do he?
what do he and the other anti-tragic
okay,
chappie
okay.
actually do to correct this crazy, sad situation?
Here's the thing, right? It's come to a point where, which has never been in the history of this country, where the public and the cricketers are at loggerheads.
Yeah.
That's right.
It used to be, we will back our team. We love cricket. Our cricketers were our heroes. But now it's come to a place where they're the anti-heroes.
Yeah.
And that's a terrible thing for any country.
Yeah, that's right.
At the stadium Shade, when Sri Lanka was getting thrashed by New Zealand by playing badly, not that New Zealand played out of their skin.
Yeah.
We just handed it away.
Yeah.
The entire stadium was chanting New Zealand, New Zealand, New Zealand. They were cheering New Zealand
That's
in
what
a
it
World
is.
Cup at home at the R. Premadasa while our team is playing New Zealand.
That's
When the
not
cricketers
good.
were walking off the field, they were hooted, they were jeered, there were comments thrown at them.
Yeah, yeah.
That's sad that it's come to that.
I mean, there were people who had travelled all the way from Anuradhapura to watch
to
this
watch
match.
this
Yeah.
match.
And it's very disheartening to see this kind of thing, because this is like a repeat performance from last Sunday.
For the last 10 years.
See, like,
for the
see-
last 10 years.
See, like we're not like it's just that we're not saying that, you know, losers can. There has to be one winner, but it's the fact that we know that they didn't play to their full potential,
Yeah.
let alone to any potential.
And they're unapologetic about it
Very
as well.
unapologetic.
Yeah.
They're kind of like, oh, like we tried our best what to do, but we all know
I
that
don't-
was
no,
not
they
the
did
best.
You know, you look at some
You
of those
know?
shots they played, or pretty much all the shots they played.
Yeah.
Swinging across the line, no foot movement.
Yeah.
Just, I don't know, going for, I don't know what they're thinking, really.
On X, there was a video of Lasith Maling and Sanat Jayasuriya sitting on the ground, just like, you know, with their heads on their, like hands on their heads and stuff like that, saying like, these are not two gentlemen who should be in this predicament.
Okay, I'm going to disagree with that. Sanat Jayasuriya, I agree 100%. I have a lot of respect for Sanat Jayasuriya.
Yeah.
For what he has done for Sri Lanka and so on,
Yeah.
and what he's trying to do. Lasith Malinga wasn't the most disciplined person while he was in the cricket team either. You know, see, it all trickles down, Ashan, and I know this is controversial. I know people are going to, you know, probably be of an opposed view to myself on this. Lasith Malinga wasn't the most disciplined person while he played cricket, and those sort of things trickle down. You know, but journalist spoke to him once. He scolded the
Yeah, you're
That's
right.
not it.
Yeah,
When you're
yeah,
in the
yeah,
public eye, when you are a public personality,
You have to have a decorum,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's in decorum. And you know, he wasn't the fittest. He wasn't the most you know,
Yeah, I mean,
decorum
yeah, like
filled person.
there was a coined phrase there earlier, which Toshan came up with. It was called what? Buju 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 buju.
So
Yeah.
so that one, but it's like this, right? So now everybody's angry. The anger has seethed through everything,
Yeah.
and we're annoyed. What are these guys doing? Why are they even here? You know, administrations are being blamed, coaches are being blamed, selectors are being blamed,
Yeah.
and everybody blames them for the loss. I have to differ here. Not that I'm supporting any administrations also. I think you know, time's up, guys. To be honest, but if you are a cricketer, I'll ask you, Ashan, Shade, Showgrammer. You've been playing cricket since you were like 8, 10, 11 years old.
Yeah.
Now you're 28, 30 years old.
Yeah,
You are playing for the Sri Lankan cricket team.
the national team. Yeah,
No coach needs to tell you how to defend a ball.
absolutely.
Or how to play with technique or bat and pad together. The first thing I learned in cricket, and I never played cricket at a high level, is a forward defense
That's
Yeah.
right. That's right.
and a check drive.
That's right.
Yeah.
You know, these guys don't
These are
seem
basics, yeah.
Those are basics. That's what you learn from the time you're 10 years old,
Yeah.
right? And these guys don't do that. Bowling, I'm not asking these guys to bowl 6 balls. Bowl 4 balls out of the over in the correct place,
Yeah, yeah.
just outside off stump.
It's not too much to ask. It's not too much to ask,
It's
guys.
just- it's
Yes.
just-
People
bad at
have
this
become
point.
greats doing that.
Very
Glenn
bad.
McGrath, one of the greatest bowlers in the history, and all he did was bounce the ball outside the off stump. That's all he did. He didn't do anything spectacular.
Yeah.
He just put the ball outside the off stump for 20 years of his career and ended up with, you know,
Yeah.
a ridiculous number of
Yeah,
wickets.
yeah, being one of the greats in the game.
That's all he did.
Yeah.
That's all he
You're
did.
not wrong.
So those parts are down to discipline.
It's the changes they make in their personal lives.
Yes.
That is not translated
Yes.
properly.
Maybe all
Half of these
those-
guys are fat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're fat.
And
They've got
also-
pot bellies.
Also, Toshan,
Their,
I
their
think-
thighs are rubbing against each other.
Correct.
They look like they go for their fifth helping at a buffet.
Yes, they do.
Yes.
For sure.
And also, I think it's all those expensive wristwatches that they're wearing and
Yes.
flaunting on
Yes.
social media.
Yeah,
yes.
It's like, taking a toll on their wrists.
If they had as many runs as tattoos on their arms,
Yes.
Sri Lanka would be the world champions. If each guy, their averages are in the 30s, 20s, teens, they're averages, betting averages.
Yeah.
The bowling averages are like betting averages. They're in their 40s, 30s, 50s, the bowling averages. So as Sri Lankans, yes, we are angry. And no, the government should not step in to stop negativity.
Yeah.
Because it's truth.
But
If
like,
it's truth, it's not negativity.
Toshan, like another thing I feel that I've noticed as well is that they don't play as a team. I feel like there's an
No,
agenda
each
where
one-
they
each
play
one.
like for each and their
Individual
own kind
glory
of
hugs. Yeah.
So, off the
So-
record, on the QT, very hush hush. I'm going to tell you something which was told to me by somebody very, very close to cricketing circles, extremely close, in the inner circles of cricketing.
Okay.
And it was basically, what's going on with these guys? And he was like, nah, macham, mehemai case එක. It's not about anything. It's not even about the money. Munta තියන්නේ, how do I put it? They want to jump squares. All the guys are on Tinder. Married guys, single guys, whatever. All the guys are sliding into girls' DMs.
Oh,
That's according to this one person. On the QT, very hush hush.
So
Off the
clearly they're
record.
not using
This is
their
off the
brains.
record, guys. This is off the record.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah,
They just
yeah,
want to.
yeah.
They just want to jump squares. That's all they're interested in. Apparently, that's it.
With that
All
comes
of this-
the clout of
All
being a
of this,
cricketer.
all of this
Yeah,
is
woodpeckers.
for that. All of this is for that.
Yes.
So it's that's why that's what it is about. And this is coming from the very, very, very somebody very, very close to the action. So it's not even. So I was thinking, money, these guys, fame, all that. No, why do you think they've all got these Louis Vuittons and these cars and these watches and these tattoos and these celebrations after taking a wicket
That's
or
right.
taking a
Yeah,
catch?
Yeah.
Dude, we'll come back to. We've got a lot to talk about today.
Yeah.
We have to talk about our sponsors as well, guys. We got carried away. Sorry about that. See, we are emotional because we are invested in this game.
Correct. Yeah. I mean,
That's
like
why.
Also, the entirety of Sri Lanka.
Toshan, Ashan, Shade, come on, child.
Time to get up, get out of bed. Fill your cup and get ahead.
Put the mics on. You all have to talk now.
There are so many messages
So
coming.
many. Yeheshan sent a message saying, Tosh, I think talking about Sri Lankan cricket is more excruciating than watching Ashan give Auntie Gladys a back rub.
And the next thing he says, don't read on air. But what does Ma Linga translate to? Okay. Ma Linga.
Yeah. Then we have Revon also who sent in a message saying, good morning, beautiful people. Why are we wasting time talking about our national loser team? Not worth a minute of
No,
airtime.
it's because I got at least 3 calls yesterday from, a lot of people listen to the show, Shade.
Yeah.
They do.
No pressure.
Yeah. And I got 3 calls yesterday, people making fun of me because I was saying good things about Dasun Shanaka just the previous day before
they
the
don't
match.
forget. Yeah.
People don't forget because I thought he was I maintained that he was out of the lot that was there, he's the dude who wasn't, flashing the sports cars and
Correct. Yeah,
wearing
yeah.
Louis Vuitton from head to foot and, having those arm tattoos and running after women and stuff like that because he wasn't one of those guys.
Yeah, very important people in this country have called Toshan out on WhatsApp groups also saying like, why are you defending this guy?
The Dasun Shanaka. And because to me, you need somebody with a level head who's got discipline to be the captain
Yeah, makes
of the
sense.
team.
Of course.
like Arjuna Ranatunga was. Guys,
Yeah, absolutely.
Arjuna Ranatunga on this very show, on the 25th anniversary of the winning of the 1996 World Cup in 2021, on this very show, he said, Toshan, the problem is there is no mentorship in this team. This was in 2021.
Yeah.
Arjuna said
Yeah,
this. He
yeah.
said to me on the show, he said, all these boys are, I'm paraphrasing here, but it was basically, this is the idea, I can't remember, but the clip is on our YouTube page, the clip is on our Facebook page, the clip is on our Instagram. You can go back and listen to it. He said, all these boys are village boys. Some of them are not educated enough.
Yeah, yeah.
And when they get money, they don't know how to handle it. They
That's
don't
right.
know what to do with the money.
Yeah.
And there's no mentorship, somebody who tells them what to do
Yeah.
and how to handle it, how to handle the fame, how to handle the money. That's
Yeah,
what Arjuna said.
Yeah.
And he said, when I was captain, and he mentioned names, which was on air. People will remember this. He said, Ravindra Pushkaran, Chaminda Vasu, Pul Chandra. He said, I took their bank books
Yeah.
away from them.
That's right.
And I said, you play cricket, because money had just started to roll in after the World Cup
Yeah.
to Sri Lanka. Sri Lankans cricketers didn't have money before that. And he said, you play cricket, I'll give you your bank books back. Arjuna Ranatunga said that verbatim on this show.
Yeah.
Right? So that was a sort of mentorship, and they respected him.
Absolutely.
They feared him.
Yeah.
You know, that was the sort of thing that he had. And therefore, you know, like Sanat Jayasuriya on this very show, he said on the morning showgram, he said, you know, when I hit a ball up in the air and I get out, I'm scared to go through the front entrance of the pavilion because Arjuna here is there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
He said I would go around the pavilion and round the back because he's afraid to pass Arjuna on the way to the, you know, and when he plays a bad shot, he can hear Arjuna, you know, shouting out advice from the pavilion, and he said, we're scared.
No, that's the levels of commitment that they
Yeah,
had.
you
I mean,
need,
from
yeah.
the captain down to the last.
I mean, because Arjuna is an absolute. People will say he has many faults, but he was a patriot when it came to Sri Lanka. He's a
Yeah.
patriot.
He led
loved
the
this
team,
country. He
yeah.
loved the
Yeah.
team. He loved cricket. You know, he did for cricket what nobody else could do.
He led the team to the World Cup victory, man.
Yeah, lots of
Brought the
people will
cup
say
home.
many things about politics and all this, and I'm not getting into all that. From a cricketing point of view, Arjuna changed the Sri Lankan cricket team. He brought the Sri Lankan cricket team from a motley crew of Ahindas.
Yeah.
There's one dude with a bent arm. There's another guy who could bowl 6 balls in the same place. There's another guy who could turn a little ball the other way. There's one fellow who would go and bat for hours. There's
Yeah.
another guy who would go and hit it over the infield.
Yeah.
You know, and then we had a classy, world-class, incredible, brilliant master of a batsman called Aravinda De Silva as well in the team. But Arjuna brought all of them together and gave them each roles and said, this is what you do. And that's how we, you know,
Won the World Cup.
won the World Cup. So it's sad because we were from that generation, and now there's an entire generation who look at this cricket team and go, wow, this is the way cricketers should be. There'll be another generation coming up, Ashan Shade, showgrammers, in another 10 years who look at these guys playing cricket, and these would be their mentors.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
Yeah, so
They'll be
when-
following these guys.
Yeah.
They'll be looking at arm tattoos before they can play a forward defense.
Yeah, and also they'll probably be like, you know, if they get out at school level cricket, if these guys can get out, it's okay.
Yes, I can do whatever and get away with it. You know, how many of these guys have been in fatal car crashes or car accidents,
Yeah.
road accidents,
And
swept under the carpet?
Yeah, that's right.
Fatal ones.
Gotten away
yeah.
with it with a smile.
And no, and after consuming alcohol as well.
Yeah.
Let's put it that way: consuming alcohol and doing this, not like an accident on a road. You know, so I mean, we're really angry. We're passionate about it because we are cricket tragics.
Yeah, we want them to do better. We want them to.
Shad is
improve.
about to cry here.
Shad,
She's
Shad, you
quickly,
okay?
she's quickly deleting all the DMs she's got. She's deleting all the DMs of all these guys who've been DMing
Yeah,
her.
that's right.
Even here, you know, the DMing Shade. Susie was getting DM'd.
That's
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Oh yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes,
that-
yes.
You know, so
Yeah.
it's that's what it is.
It
But
is what it
we're
is.
passionate about it. That's
Yeah.
why, and we're angry about it, and with good reason. So no, I don't believe that any government should get involved in people telling the truth.
And y'all will not get an emotional support animal as well.
I think we should, but get them
Oh,
like a big animal, like a cow, to walk around with, like an emotional
Yeah.
support cow, for them to walk
You'll
around.
hear it before you see it.
They'll depress that animal also.
ගොනා කියලා බැන්නම නෑ මේ ඇත්තට ගොනාට බැන්නේ.
අපිට නෙමෙයි ගොනාට බෑනේ.
804. You saw that other one. Sorry, just on the subject. You saw the other one. New Zealand were 84 for 6 wickets.
Okay.
The 7th wicket fell at 168 at the last ball of the innings. Charith Asalanka took the catch and he did a whole celebration and he threw the ball over his shoulder. We had just got hammered in the last 6 overs for like 80 runs. On the last ball of the innings, they got the wicket, the 7th wicket, which was 84 for 6.
Yeah,
And these guys celebrated like, you know,
Not cool, boys.
Yeah,
Not cool. Not
that
cool
shows
at all.
it shows the mentality
Yeah.
of the team.
Yeah.
You know, they've already got the celebration in their head. Wicket ka badal mamme karna.
Yeah.
If I get a catch, I'm going to do this.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
yeah. Crazy.
Toshan, Ashan, Shade, come on, child.
Time to
the mics on? You all have to talk now.
39 minutes after 8 o'clock in the morning. We have a million messages which are coming in. Shall we go to the ones before 8 o'clock?
Yes, let us go there. Bhutika says that shows his educational level. This is called firefighting Dasun Shanaka.
Yeah, I know about this. Earlier on we discussed we don't do a lot of cricket on the show, but we told a few truths. I dropped a bit of a bomb as well.
Yeah.
Which was a truth coming from an inner circle of the cricketing fraternity.
Bomb. It was a Hiroshima.
Yeah, it was.
It was quite a bit of a...
July 4th.
We have Max Dawson who sent in a message saying, which beep beep wants to be friends with this bunch of Lonteo.
Lonteo. It's
Yeah,
funny. If
unfortunately, that's the the fate of the Sri Lankan cricketers these days.
Yeah.
Everywhere they go, they are being called the Lonteas.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean,
On
that's
Google.
On Google as well.
Yeah.
Pretty sad.
It's because of the way they play. Now, if you look at the matches, I mean, the way they play, and it's not only that, it's the attitude after it. Like they were being hooted off the grounds, right? They were booed and
Yeah.
hooted. We don't boo in Sri Lanka, we hoot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If, in England, they're like, boo, boo. Here we go,
Yeah.
boo.
Yeah.
And they were walking out, and that guy, Kusal Mendis,
Yeah.
was like clapping the crowd back and giving them a thumbs up.
Like, what
just-
type of behavior is
Just put
that?
your head down and
just
get out.
arrogance, man.
It's
It's just
arrogance.
arrogance.
No, that's what I'm saying. They have a god complex and I don't even know
Yeah.
where it comes from, to
Yes.
be honest.
Yes.
The confidence needs to be studied.
Yeah.
It really does.
Act like gods, but perform like
Lonteas.
yeah.
I don't know.
I was going to say an anagram of God, but also remember sometime back, these are the things which suddenly start popping into your head. It's like like husband and wife. Or when you're in a relationship, you get angry over something and say, remember that day also you did this. You bring up all the old stuff.
That is so
Remember that day? Remember the notion they quell? He's not even in the team now. But remember, we'll bring it up. Where he did this interview, he said, listener, viewers la, ඒගොල්ලෝ කියනවා අපිට cricket උගන්වන්න. Remember that video?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
With
yeah,
sunglasses on. He said, ඒගොල්ලෝ අපිට cricket කියලා, they're trying to teach us cricket. That sort of attitude. This is like girlfriends or wives.
Yeah.
You bring up all the past as soon as
Yeah.
this.
It's a sensitive subject for them. Touches a little bit of a sensitive spot.
For sure. What else?
We have another message coming in here from Asoka again, and they say, thanks, Tosh, for saying it as it is.
Yeah, it is. It's absolutely true, guys.
Also,
We don't mince our words here.
Yeah. We don't sugarcoat.
Yeah.
What you see is what you get. Fazli says, shall we take over cricket, Tosh? We know how Jaffna Kings performed.
That's Fazli. Okay, let's move on.
And then-
Wow, Fazli. That's very brave. Very brave, Fazli.
Shafaz also says about Marlinger. Yes, I absolutely agree with Tosh. This is where the wrong turn happened to our team. Decline setting very bad example to the younger ones, now worried. The magic word is attitude, guys, attitude. There is no shortage for skills, it is just a bad attitude.
It happened, to my knowledge and my reckoning, maybe just after the retirement of Sangha and Mahela.
Yeah.
That's when things started to go down.
south.
Yeah, it started to go
agree.
south. Because there was no mentor in the team. Now, I remember, Ashan, I'll tell you this, and Shade, guys like Jeevan Mendis, lovely guy.
Yeah.
Such a nice, he's a friend. He's a lovely guy. He was, I think, at Gurukula, and then he went to St. Thomas's.
Okay.
But always had a level head on his shoulders. Lovely guy. He would tell me, Macha, api, when we were also playing, like Mahelaya would come and tell us, Maldi, Konde Kapanna, you're playing for the Sri Lankan team.
Oh, right.
Konde Kapagin, look decent, you're playing, you're
discipline.
present in Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
That's the sort of mentorship. And he said, they used to tell us that. That sort of discipline you'd have. Because Mahela had that discipline, Sangha had that discipline. Okay,
I mean, at the end of
forget
the
about
day-
all other
yeah.
person things which people, whatever.
Yeah.
Saying, cricket-wise, they will say, these guys did it.
Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, you are representing Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
You guys are the faces of the
So-
country for cricket.
After 2015, there was no mentorship. Nobody was there to put people in place. And so all these guys would, I'll ask you this World Cup winning team. I'll ask you right up to Sangha and Mahela. Did they have tattoo arm sleeves? Have you seen Sangakkara wear a branded belt?
Like, I completely agree with you, though.
I'm asking this, have you seen him wear a battle-branded belt?
You're not wrong. Like, athletes have so much of importance because look at Senna, like the race car driver. He was like a huge deal.
But
when
he wasn't the best, right? He could have been better,
he
right?
could have been better, but the entire country like banded together to
Yeah.
support him.
Yes,
Like, they
yes.
do murals of
Yes.
him on the wall, everything.
After postmortem or post
I knew that
posthumously
was gonna come. I
no.
knew that was going to happen.
No, but I'm just asking
Before.
okay.
Before,
Right,
because
okay.
it brought the entire country together, even
yeah.
with the whole issues they had in that said country. But what's really interesting is that here in Sri Lanka, I feel like cricket is dividing more than it is doing anything because people are just so angry.
I don't think you're dividing Shadi. I think everybody's on one side. I think all the fans are on one side. We just hate them.
Yeah, there was a time period where everyone was like, as Shadi said, like, you were saying, like, cricket is bad, our cricketers are not performing well, and they're like, guys, let's just give them a chance and blah.
Yeah.
But right now, collectively, everyone hates them.
Yes.
I'm not even saying dislike, I don't mince my words, they hate them.
It's just attitude, I think.
Yeah. We don't hate Sri Lanka cricket. No.
We
hate the current
arrogance.
players and the arrogance and the, maybe whatever. You want to say administration, you want to say whatever you want to say.
I don't know any of the cricketers. When I say that, I don't know. I really don't
You
know.
would meet them in a supermarket, you'll pass them
Shall
by.
I meet one in the elevator at the apartment building.
Yeah, I meet them.
And I asked him, Machan, what do you do? And he gave me a gull look.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so he's the one guy in this. Now earlier on I dropped this bomb about how somebody in the inner circles of cricket saying these guys are not, it's not about the money, it's about the women.
Yeah.
It's about being on Tinder, it's about picking up. That's what the story was. This guy who you're talking about, he'd be on a food app. He wouldn't be on Tinder. He'd definitely be on a food app, Ashan.
Every time I see him, actually, is when I meet him downstairs when he comes to collect
His
food.
kryptonite is food. And it shows.
Oh no. You know what they need in their lives, though?
A dietitian.
A dietitian.
It's all making sense now.
He's the only guy. You remember that World Cup in Australia where this Tanush Kudutilaka nonsense happened, where he went out and he was doing stuff and he was accused of all sorts of things.
Yeah.
The only guy who left the team bubble and the team this to go out and eat was this guy. Everybody else was leaving the hotel apparently, allegedly, this is not off the record, on the QT, very hush. Everybody was leaving the hotel to meet girls. One guy was leaving the hotel to go eat.
Every day he wakes up and looks at himself in the mirror and says, "You're better than this."
I'm sexy. I'm hot. You're not. You're not sexy. I'm sexy. Ugh, look at me. I'm fat. I'm sexy.
I got scolded by my wife because when he said that I play cricket, I apparently had a look on my face that said, like, really? Really? No, get out of here. Really?
Oh my god.
Sorry, you said sumo wrestling. What? No.
So I was like, what was that? Backtrack. Shall I tell you what they need in their lives?
Yes.
They need Kumar De Silva in their lives.
Oh, man.
Immediately.
Preach,
Kumar De
sister.
Silva,
Preach,
if you're
sister.
listening,
Wow, yes.
I have a job for you.
He should take over Sri Lanka cricket.
He should take
You know,
over Sri Lanka cricket.
I'm not even joking. If Kumar De Silva takes over, first of all, he'd get rid of their unibrows.
Yeah.
That is so true.
All of them have unibrows.
Yeah.
He get rid of those because it probably disturbs you while you're facing a bowler, right? Like your unibrow gets in the way and you can't see the ball coming down. Is it seam up? Is it cross seamed? Or what? Is it leg spin, off spin? You can't see it because the unibrow gets in the way.
Oh, Tushan.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. And the earrings would go. Kumar would not tolerate those earrings.
Kumar would not. If it was to be
No nonsense.
we could actually canvas for this one.
Yeah.
Kumar De Silva for Sri Lanka cricket coach.
Yeah.
From the person who terrorized Miss Sri Lankas for 11 years. The man from Bonsoir. The man on TV. Now to the cricket team. The disciplinarian, Kumar De Silva.
And you go one notch better and do like a 90s thing. One man, one mission. He's out to make them men.
One man, many unibrows. He's out to thread their brows.
Like us on Facebook or follow us on Instagram at The Morning Showgram.
Put the mics on. You all have to talk now.
All right, guys.
Love it.
It's 9:03. It's the last weekday of February, and the next time we see you will be like another month.
That's right.
Tuesday. Yep.
Yeah, that's right, guys.
Long
Meow.
weekend. Woo.
Crazy. It's a morning showgram, ladies and gentlemen. It's 11 after 9 in the morning.
Johan is sending a message here, and he says, question, what effect does sponsorship by gaming entities have?
We don't know. So there are lots of gaming entities we've seen on during these cricket matches and stuff like that. Yeah. What else?
Wendell.
Wendell is a cricketer.
Yep. Morning trio. Ashan in school had great discipline, coach of Major Silvas. That's why he is still disciplined.
There we
Yeah,
are.
yeah.
That's the person you almost killed, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
Mr.
yeah.
Silva. God
You almost killed him, right?
Yeah.
Mayura says the ladies team is having more team spirit.
Yeah.
Dr. Mahendra says our cricketers are doing all the stuff except playing cricket.
That is true.
That is true.
Yeah.
Jumping squares, as Toshan likes to say.
Yeah. It's sad. It's sad when somebody in the inner circle says, Machang, it's not about money, it's about women.
Yeah.
I really don't think they're jumping any squares, though, to be honest.
You'd be surprised.
I don't think any of the squares are entertaining them.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm also
Depends.
thinking.
There are
Nobody
squares.
likes a loser, Toshan.
No, but still,
Yeah, that's true, that's
some
true.
people are impressed, Hanguranketa has squares.
Oh, gosh.
So clearly they're not thinking with their brains.
Yeah,
That's the problem.
That's the thing. Sabre says, hi, good morning. This is Sam and Shamila. God bless all of you. Thank you. We need it today after this discussion, to be
Yeah.
honest. Nivesha says,
long message.
Long message. Okay, let's go. Well, back in the day, also those guys were into women and whatnots. But when they go to the grounds, they performed. They battered, they fielded, and they bowled. Even the defeats were very dignified. They fought until the last ball. Take 96 teams, all the players were very reliable. Even the extras who were there to bring water. We should focus on rugby. All Blacks will be in SL in April.
Not the All Blacks, the All Blacks under 85 kg team, I think, right?
Will be here, right?
I think so. I'm not sure. Last year they came to the studio. We had a chat with them as well.
That's right. You're a huge rugby fan. I remember that
absolutely.
about you. Yeah. But Nimesha couldn't have said it any better. Back in the day, also you heard the whole.
But they played
But
as
they
well.
played.
They
They
did.
played.
That's why-
In both contexts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Played on field, played off field,
That's all game.
and batted for all types of
And
teams.
nobody said anything, right?
Yeah, no one.
Because in the end, we don't care about their private lives
Yeah.
if they play cricket properly. The
Exactly.
problem that these guys' private lives have been dragged in is because they don't perform on the field.
Correct.
Very, very true.
This is like, especially when we were small, our parents, as long as we got the grades, they didn't really care.
Yeah.
You can play rugby, cricket, go for drama
Yes,
practices,
yes.
have 10 different girlfriends or boyfriends. Well, not really.
You
boyfriends.
are
Yeah.
severely over-exaggerating our childhood, Ashan. I went to Mahanama, you were at Marisela. We did not have girlfriends.
No. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
At most,
And
can
not even a believable one. 10 girlfriends.
Yes. At most, Kenneth David can come home to play. That's about it.
Right.
Poor Kenneth got dragged into that as well. Yeah.
Okay, next message.
Madhusha says, Toshan, so you are telling me that these are women out
There
there
are.
are women out there who want to
Get with these losers?
get with
Canoodle,
these losers.
yes,
yeah.
What for? Seriously, it's embarrassing to be even seen with them. Such poor standards these women have. He goes on to say, I personally think people who shouldn't even acknowledge these people, why give them recognition? Why give them satisfaction? I personally have seen them hanging out in hotel lobbies waiting to be recognized. They should first do their job.
That is true. But
actually
there are, I mean, AA Bunny's Walter, AA Kehelgedi, as they do say. Me,
Yeah.
ahila balanna. Mang wage tattoo ka gahagatta mage ate. Me tin champa.
Ayo.
Yeah. No, but these things happen. What are the other messages?
Bala says, good morning, guys. Problem with SL cricket is everything from top to bottom. Very bad attitude and corrupted. Complete system change is needed. Look at the Indian team and how they have come up. Everyone play their part from the management to the players because all of them are held accountable. And most importantly, the system to identify talent from grassroots levels. We do not have that ecosystem in SL still, and it'll take a long time to change for a drastic decision to implement immediately. It's
No,
true.
I think in addition to them not performing on the field, I think they are also not a very likable bunch from what
They're
I
not
No, they're
get.
likable.
not. They're
This is
not.
about their
That is the
egos.
thing. Yeah.
Egos.
You can't relate. You can't connect to them because
Yeah.
they are so up there. Like,
Yes.
so up there.
For
what
sure.
to do?
That's the problem.
Yeah.
Yes.
Asanka says if playing cricket is their job, if they are not doing the job, they should be fired like the way other institutions do.
Yes.
If we fail our jobs, we have consequences. But what they get is a pat in their back and say next time.
Yeah.
Oh,
And that's what they expect, right? Like even
Yeah.
Dasun Shanak at that press con, I don't know if you heard, he said, yes, we lost the World Cup and we know what happened. But, don't do this and don't be negative.
yeah.
What? No. Losing is okay.
Yeah,
Losing is
yeah.
part of the game, Shari. You lose.
Yeah, you lose.
But
yeah.
not in this way
Yeah.
where there's scant regard for
Yeah,
anybody except themselves and any technique and any and it keeps happening over not now. No, it's not just this one match. No, it's happened forever. People say no, but we beat Australia. No,
Yeah.
it was a fluke, guys. Anybody who says otherwise is being very naive
Yeah. Yeah.
or stupid
Correct.
or both.
Why
It was
are you
because
stupid?
Pathum Nissanka played an innings like of a spectacular proportion. If he was out for 10 runs in that innings, do you think we would have beat Australia?
Yeah,
So no,
yeah,
one guy had a day. One guy had a field day. It's not that we were great enough to beat Australia. One guy took the game away from Australia. One
Yeah, that's
guy
what
won
happened.
it.
That's what
If he
happened.
had got out for naught or for 10 or for 15 or for 20 or for 50 even, if he hadn't got his 100, we wouldn't have beaten Australia. You know what I mean? So one guy had to get a spectacular 100 and we won by fluke.
Yeah.
Can he repeat that 100 again the next time we play Australia? It's
I
something
don't
to see.
think so.
Yeah.
No, maybe he could. He's a good cricketer. He's not a bad batsman. But this match against New Zealand, first ball, out, bowled.
Yeah.
Bowled, first ball. Playing feet in one place, swinging the bat. That's not what an opener does. From day one, Ashan, before you try to kill your cricket coach, he would have taught you about the forward defense.
Yeah, that's right.
First thing
right.
you learn, bat and pad together, forward defense. First thing you learn, check drive.
This was
bat and
before-
pad together.
That's right.
Yeah.
Foot
That's
to the
right.
ball.
Yeah.
This was before Ashan had to kill him. He thought
I
of
did
that.
not try.
After he didn't try
it
anymore.
was an
No,
accident.
but he died not because of the ball.
Yeah.
No. Many years later.
Yeah.
Yeah, so for all of you who
Good times,
are not
good
in the know,
times.
Ashan went for cricket practices and tried to throw a ball in and hit his cricket coach. The cricket coach
What happened?
almost
Okay,
died.
very, very quickly, what happened was we were taught how to throw the ball at our wicket keeper. Wicket keeper was in one place, and about 70 degrees to the left was the cricket coach having his salmon sandwich.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was all in the wrist. I may have bent my wrist a little bit too much,
Yeah,
and
you tried to morally.
Yeah, Mr.
Yeah.
Silva did not see the ball coming.
Yeah.
All I heard was like,
As they do say, Bombay looking Calcutta. However, in here it's Anuradhapura looking Hambantota.
Ayyo. Messages, and I am the messenger boy today. Zuhail sent a message saying, but Dasun Shanaka is the same. These guys jump the squares.
Really? He does? Can't see that though. Ashan, why you make faces? You've heard stories.
I just think that he looks like an altar boy. That he looks too innocent.
That's interesting.
You know what they say now? My father used to say, Shade, very philosophical thing. Murna ballas no hapa kaput.
Ayyo.
The silent ones are the hapa kaput ones.
Yeah. Oh gosh. Imran also sent in a message saying, honestly brings tears to my eyes too when I hear this. What a class team we had those days.
No, but I think Nimesha was right. They did this stuff as well. We've heard stories. However, they also played cricket and nobody got involved in their personal lives.
Match ke varla ange pate mahansi aragand.
Yeah. Ayyo. Ashan.
No, at least they had a reason after playing a match for so long.
That is true.
No, after being in those pressure situations, you need some sort of relief.
Yeah.
I said relief, not release.
Okay. Moving on.
Shivanta. Oh no.
Sorry.
We'll move on. Next
we'll
one.
move on. Nirodi also sent in a message and said, guys, you need to listen to this. And she sent in a little Facebook reel. We will have a look at that one later. Nafisa also tuning in. CJ as well.
Nirodi says, oh dear, how much do we miss Arjuna Ranatunga in this team?
And how down to earth his team was.
Yeah.
Very, very true. Very true. Gayan says, oh, it's a long one.
message.
Okay.
Let's go through it. Okay,
Let's go. Hey guys, good morning. After a long time. So I thought I just wanted to share my perspective on the comments made by Dasun about spreading negativity. As a former national athlete, I think they do not have any excuses left but turn towards cricket fans to cover up their inconsistencies. It's pathetic.
Yes.
This is like...
Yeah. This is like Gilena Miniha Tuttiri Gaheng Eleno.
Yeah, that's right.
That's right.
So basically, if somebody's drowning, he will hang on whatever the tiniest thing he can clutch at straws. Basically, is what he's saying.
Yeah. Very
that's
true.
what
He goes on to say these are talented bunch. However, it's sad to see they just want to play with their own agendas and maintain status quo. What we are lacking is utmost discipline of each individual. Not blaming few, but most of them are lacking it.
Oh, okay. He says, please don't read this on air. Well, you should have started with that guy.
Lead with that guy.
Just lead with that next time.
Lead with that. Lead with that. Come on.
Yeah.
Boy, okay.
Okay, never mind. We read it. Also, we have a few of other listeners tuning in, wishing us all to have a very good weekend, Anthony, as well. Sam goes on to say, very old 70 plus people running cricket. Am I company? And how can we have performance? Yeah. Do you think that's true? Do you think young people need to enter the Cricket Association and the
young
board?
people need to enter every form of government even. Like you have presidents who are 80 years old, 75, 18, 81
right,
years.
yeah.
Even Donald Trump in the US is like 80.
Yeah.
Biden was 82 before that. We had presidents who were in their 80s. And I'll ask you a question, Shadi.
Yeah.
Right. You get a salary, right? From, say, EFM. Very big one. And and from wherever else. Do you take your hard-earned money at the end of the month and go and give it to your grandfather saying, here, please run the house for me?
No.
Yeah, exactly.
Where
then
are we
there
going
was
with
silence.
this? Because if my grandfather's listening, he's probably like, yeah, why does the child do that, actually? You're giving him ideas now.
Well, she should be giving me.
Nein, she gives the money. I told you that was his radio. You come and give it the money now.
Oh dear.
If not, it is the Afrizan for you. No, because, you know, older people are known to make sometimes non-practical decisions, due to various conditions.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that. So that.
Yeah. Well, interesting.
Yes. And we're going to leave that at that one and go to... No, we got some messages.
Yeah, we got some messages. We
And
have
don't forget, we are trying to canvass Kumar De Silva to go and discipline all the cricketers here.
Yeah,
First, give them a makeover.
Yeah.
Exactly. Get rid of all those earrings and gold teeth and all. Please. This is not Slumdog Millionaire.
He'll go...
It is...
What is this? What is this tattoo? Amma Budueva. Remove it immediately. Who is this? What is that you're wearing?
Yes.
So true.
This boy looks like a Chitraputa. What is wrong with you?
He might teach us a few words in French also.
Yeah.
They're lucky. Also, we have an anonymous...
You are not bougie. You are Budi.
Oh, nakitino.
Okay, sorry.
We have an anonymous message coming in here.
Yes.
But what Tushan said about Dasun, I endorse personally.
Which part?
Everything, I think.
No, which part?
Toshan said a lot.
I said which part, yeah.
Context. Indi says, hey, good morning. Have a blessed weekend. Manik says, or Manik.
He says, Kondineve mungi kapannone.
Manik went full on abattoir on them.
He always comes up with good one-liners. Always.
Raul.
Yeah.
Kana kapannone.
Salman Khan, the entire lot.
Yes. All right. Next one.
Nixie says, when Shami Silva himself telling SLC, it's like a...
Nixie. Okay. What did you say?
It's a private limited company and not answerable to anyone. What can we expect from the players?
Yes. And then she mentions a name.
Yeah.
You'll have to ask that from Ashan.
Yeah.
What's this? Dushanta has sent a message.
Toshan, for you, something to think about.
Can we enlarge that and say it is Javed Miandad's quote from Javed Miandad of Cricinfo. Oh wow. So Javed Miandad has said, but Javed Miandad, he was a great cricketer for Pakistan, World Cup winner and all that.
Yeah.
But he's like the old crazy uncle now
Yeah.
of Pakistan.
No, even back in the day, I remember he introduced a cricket bat to some of the.
have gotten away with it if it weren't for you
No, he doesn't speak English very well. he's not like Prince Charles.
Yeah.
So Sri Lanka beat Pakistan in the cricket match, Shade.
Right.
I think it was at the Oval, the P. Saravanathu Stadium, whatever.
Yeah.
And now our fans are celebrating. This is the 80s. There were no security and all that.
87,
Yeah.
if I
This guy
remember
ran after a fan with a bat. like,
Let me introduce the bat to you.
But
no. Hey, don't laugh up. Pakistan Zindabad. And went after him with the bat.
I may
Oh,
not
dear,
know who
dear,
Dasun
dear.
Chanak is, but I know about
Javed
Javed
Miandad.
Miandad. Yeah.
So this is apparently a quote from Javed Miandad.
No, guys,
according
but
to-
again, coming back to my point,
Yes.
I remember the cricketers from the 80s and the 90s.
Yes.
I don't know any of the cricketing
Yeah.
team members of now.
me
Yeah.
neither. Date with Danu. Could I name the 5? No.
Exactly.
I wouldn't even name the 5.
yes.
Yeah. You know them by their unibrows and their
Yeah.
arm tattoos.
And their gold teeth.
And the Instagram
How
handles.
many gold teeth? Say E? That one. Okay.
Do they have gold teeth? Really?
Yeah,
I-
some of them on the
I
side.
don't know. I didn't know. So the quote here is from Javed Miandad saying, Sri Lanka deliberately lost to New Zealand so that all of Pakistan's chances of reaching the semi-finals would be closed. Sri Lanka must have joined hands with India and fixed the match. Otherwise, Sri Lanka could have easily chased the target. Their batsmen get out intentionally. They must have received money from the ICC. Is Javed, but Javed Miandad, I told you
He's a
now.
bit cuckoo
No,
anyway.
he's like that old senile uncle of yours who comes up with
Conspiracy theories and-
he's no
50
yeah.
shades of crazy.
Was a good batsman.
Yeah, he
batsman.
was.
Yeah.
Yeah. Heshan says,
Long message.
long message, but
Be
I'm
careful,
gonna
huh?
I'm gonna tread lightly.
Yeah.
So the question everybody's asking: why does the government get involved in the cricket situation? As per the sports law, the government can intervene, but SLC is a private entity, so government cannot have any intervention without the risk of getting SLC cancelled. It's really in the hand of the players to change these ways of working and move Sri Lanka cricket on the correct path.
Good luck with that.
Yeah, let us know how it goes.
This is the first nonsensical message that Heshan had sent, and it's nonsensical. It is.
It is.
You tried, Heshan. You tried. Yeah.
Chanaka sent a picture of Sanat Jayasuriya. Thank you for that.
Thanks.
Pelancito also.
What does Pelancito have to say about the Sri Lankan cricket
He's
team?
on a
I want-
train.
He's on a train.
He's on a train.
Now, see
There
Sri
are
Lankan
tears
cricket
in
team.
his eyes. I
Yeah.
think he's also quite upset about the whole
Yes.
cricket.
Now, see
Yes.
Sri Lankan cricket team. Look what you made him do. Got on a train also.
Yeah.
Pelancito is in a suit and tie, looking very dapper. He
Yeah.
also looks like a dictator.
Yeah, a little bit. No?
Yeah.
Colombia, here I come.
Like they used to do back in the day, right? They, back when, at the times of Sigmund Freud and all these psychologists and people like that, they used to take you and they used to drive a spike into your hypothalamus.
Oof.
Or to the frontal lobe,
What
the
is it
frontal
called?
cortex.
Don't tell me. I know what this is called.
Not an epidural. It was called a lobotomy.
Lobotomy. That's right.
Is the term. Which
With an
it
ice
was called.
pick.
With
And
an
then
ice pick. Yeah.
Put it in the eye, right? Eye socket.
It
Yeah.
goes straight in through your eye into your frontal cortex.
That's right.
It's a lobotomy, and this no, you don't know that.
I
Very-
don't know, I'm just thinking we don't have to go that far. Just give them some balm and apply it in their eye.
No, but to
What I
do
did
that,
this
you have to
morning.
get past the unibrow. So that's these guys.
It's like the gatekeeper to their, the skill.
You bring the garden shears out and give them, on the eyebrows only.
Yeah,
On the
yeah.
eyebrows only.
Yeah.
And yeah.
But it's good because from a distance, it always looks like they're wearing sunglasses.
Yes, they'll never squint at the
Yeah,
sun.
exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put a little dreadlock also on the
Braid
eyebrows.
The bumper
Like,
clot
darling,
man.
can you braid my hair today?
Yeah, okay, fine. What are the other messages here on the WhatsApp line?
Priya V says good morning to us, and also Chitra tuning in as well. She sent the same thing that
Javed
was
Miandad
said.
said.
Yeah.
But Javed Miandad's like the old crazy uncle.
Jerome also tuning in, says a big
Sending us an
hello.
advertisement. Okay.
Yeah, thanks for that. Shakila also tuning in. Hello, Miss Shakila.
Oh, she's
Hope you're
drawn you,
having-
Shade.
Where?
There, that's you at the bottom there.
You think
she's
that's
drawn
me?
you.
Well done, Shakila.
She has
Thank you,
drawn
Shakila.
you drawing something.
Yeah, I'm not that artistic, not like you. You're extremely talented, but
Yeah,
I
she
love
is.
this.
She's
Thank you,
drawing you drawing
Shakila.
something.
I love it.
Wow, that's a crazy talent.
And I love pink. That's my favorite color. So she's drawn the pink as well.
Nice. Okay.
Also, another message coming in here. This one is actually from Lahiru, and he says our cricketers are playing everything but hardball cricket.
Yeah.
And he
Says
goes
we
on
are
to say,
supporting New Zealand.
Yeah.
Go New Zealand. They want New Zealand to win the World Cup.
Yeah.
That's what I'm
Alright,
saying,
okay.
yeah. We're like New Sri Lankans. What else?
Nigel says zoom in and check Mahesh, making sure he doesn't drop the ball again.
So he's clutching an awkward. Well, he's doing a little adjust. Let's put it that way. He's doing a little adjust. It's 9:48.
Messages, last couple before we head off for the weekend into the bright light. Michelle says, hey, good morning, guys. Happy Friday. And Ranjit said, Dasun is a non-performing captain, whereas all other captains are performing either with the bat or the ball. He's not at all a suitable captain.
Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. I think right now I'm kind of concerned because Sri Lanka has another match to play with Pakistan.
Yeah.
I'm interested to see how many people are going to turn up.
Yeah.
I know who's
Yeah.
going
To
to
that
turn
match.
up.
Because we're
That
already out of
Sabir
the-
is going to turn
Huh?
up. That Sabir guy or whatever is going to turn up.
Who?
That Pakistani cricketer.
Oh, the
or something.
Pakistani dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Pakistani dude who's doing all those videos.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
Right? He'll be there. But it'll be interesting to see what the sort of home support would be for this match because we're already out of the World Cup. People are angry and these guys go and exacerbate
Yeah.
the situation. And I'm sure Dasun Shanaka has no other words that end in bait that he likes. So
Order in the courtroom.
yeah, so no, because he's gone and thrown a spanner in there, asking the government to get involved to keep people quiet.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I
And
know,
not scold the
I
cricketers.
know.
And saying that
How-
they need
how do you do-
emotional
How do you
no,
say that?
How do you say that?
No, it's PR training. They need proper PR training.
Yeah, it's true.
Kumar De Silva, you are
Kumar De
summoned.
Silva, yeah.
It's
Dasun,
like,
it is
the
okay to
Batman,
not-
like we'll have a little light.
Put a flashlight out.
Kumar De Silva.
And he comes in. I'm Kumar. Not Sangakkara De Silva. Sangakkara also would be, but he doesn't have time for this. He doesn't have time for this.
He's not strict enough.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't think he has time, and I don't think we can afford him, to be honest.
I mean, one look and one lip quiver from Kumar, and you're sorted.
I don't think they'll spank as hard as Kumar De Silva.
What?
No, I'm just saying. I'm just
Why are you
assuming.
even thinking that?
I'm
Why
just
are you
assuming.
thinking
I'm just
about?
saying. I'm just
Why
throwing
you
this out
say
there.
that with a smile?
Okay,
Also?
he went to Trinity, but no. Okay, Ashan. Okay, I think let's move on for the weekend, guys. I'll see you on Tuesday.
I'll see y'all on Monday.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, then we'll see y'all. Huh?